In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the parking brake shoes on this GMC Sierra. These are going to be located behind the rear brakes. Let's get into it. We're going to remove the wheel, use a 22mm socket, take the lug nuts off. Pull the wheel off. We're going to remove these two caliper bracket bolts. We're going to take the caliper and the bracket off together. Use an 18mm socket. Those out. Just grab the caliper with the brakes and the bracket. We're going to use a brake caliper hanger and just find somewhere to hang it from. Just make sure there's no tension on the brake hose. That's good. On this rotor, there is a couple threaded holes. You can take some bolts that fit in those holes. This is going to help you take the rotor off. You can just take a hammer and give it a tap. This makes it a little easier though. Just go back and forth. Now it's stuck on the parking brake shoes. I'm just going to give it a tap. There we go. And slide it off. We're going to take out the adjuster. I'm just using 2 pry bars. Pry this apart, pull the adjuster out. And release it. You can grab the spring, slide that out. Underneath here, there's a spring. I'm going to use some locking needle nose pliers. Just grab onto the spring and just try to pull it. There it is. And we're going to pull the shoe out so that we can access the spring. We're just going to use this spring compressing tool. And just push that down, twist it. Just be careful. You want to wear safety glasses while you're doing this, in case the spring comes out. There we go. Take that off, and the shoe comes right off. If you're replacing the hardware, you're going to pull the pin out and put the new pin in. And we're going to do the same on this other shoe. It comes right out. I'm going to take the new shoes, slide those over the pins. We're just going to hold the pin from the back and take the spring, and we'll just re-secure the spring same way it came off. Just push that down and twist. That's secure. And we'll do the same on the other one. Now just make sure the shoes are lined up. Then we're going to take that bottom spring, get this lined up just using the locking pliers. Get that in place. Push that in. That's good. Now we'll take the top spring, get this lined up, put that in, and we'll put the adjuster in. Just take the adjuster apart, make sure this is loose. You don't want that frozen. If it is, you might want to get a new one. I'm just going to clean this up, put a little anti-seize on the threads. And now I'm going to use 2 pry bars to slide this in place. If you need to, you can have an assistant hold one of the pry bars. pry this out. Just be careful. You can lock that in place. Push that down. That's good. You can make your adjustments right here. That's all adjusted out all the way. Now we're just going to clean up the hub surface. I'm going to use a wire brush. If yours looks as bad as this, you want to clean it up. But just going to use little anti-seize. Just give it a little squirt. That's good. And take the rotor. That lined up. And check that. And you want to make the adjustments. You're going to pull this off. And just tighten this up a little bit so that the shoes are just barely touching. So just tighten it up a little. Just using a straight blade screwdriver just to pry the spring down, make it a little easier. Should be good there. Now install the rotor. That's good. Take the brake caliper off the hanger. Slide this over the rotor. Take the bolts. Get those started. Now we're going to torque these bolts to 148 foot-pounds. Now put the wheel on. Get the lug nut started. Snug those down. Now we're going to torque the lug nuts to 140 foot-pounds in a cross pattern to tighten the wheel down evenly. Just go around again, double check.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.